Hey, welcome back to this mini lecture. My name is Dino. It's on organizing information. The focus of it is on major ways to organize information. It's based on Richard Saul Wurman's work in 1996. The first one is location. What is the location of something? How can you show it visually is one way to do it. One of the best ways is through a map. Another way to organize information is alphabetically. Think of dictionary or encyclopedia. That is another way to organize information. A third is via time. That is one way. Again, yet another way to organize information. Think of a calendar or a timeline for historical events. Another way is categorically. Think of a bar chart with each bar representing a different category. Finally, think of a hierarchy, like a family tree where information cascades down. Like in that, it's like the older family members by generation downwards. In total, there's 5. Wurman also often called this acronym LATCH. L for location, A for alphabet, T for time, C for category, and H for hierarchy. Those were 5 different ways to organize information based on Wurman's work. Please feel free to like this video. Please feel free to comment. Do you agree with these 5 ways of organizing information? Are they useful? Do you use them? Are there additional ways that you can suggest to organize information? If you like this video or like to see other ones like it, please feel free to subscribe to this channel. As always, take care. Thanks for watching.